Tí chuoibh chaide cecha a gaiide lib inniu. Inniu tá mé libh scéal os an díle nó is leabhar le glóir gead scéalta. Is inniu tá mé libh an 10 gead. So yeah. Tá an talt a bhaid gá le bhain amsa. Tá sé beag an gead ach tá sé go bsa. Tá sé go bsa. Tres tá na fogil béidir nach mai aithne a gí orthab am fogil mar deachraoch gzem agus a ráile. Sin é, tá sói mé anis mar sin.
Sin sa sefas os riocht cymai in erdhar na hása ba profet. Ní rá drochas nád ráwas ege, ach bhí gach a ráwai sa síosol ege. Bian allen, birds fásí, búchal agus colín agus a riocht dain. Dunne deachraoch a beth session a rá anna bheas ige is woonsiad na riochta fad. Hoor há sé an gzem as a bhéil dóp.
So, anis na stored fogil. The words. So, severs, that means rich. So, since the severs, that's like a rich prince. Cymai, níle sound like a scríb an tead. Cymai in inand gymerach mar tá fogil on an laige. I don't know why the author said cymai here, seeing as there's a word for it in Irish, gymerach. So, yeah, that puzzles me. Her na hása is the east of Asia, just here. Gach rá way, so everything he wanted that needed, so ní rá zohar ná záwas ige, ach bhí gach rá way sa sír so ige. So he didn't have a brother or a sister, but he had everything he wanted in life, essentially. Deachraoch, that means kind-hearted. So Zau is like a prefix, and it means like it's positive, good / well. And Creoch would be hearted, you add the shaver there. So Deachraoch, that's kind-hearted. So Dunne Deachraoch abe, he was a kind-hearted person. Then and so Dunne Deachraoch abe session ará an bheas ige is woonsiad na riochta fad. So mass of egg, whatever, is something to have a lot of respect for something or someone. So here, Moonsage na riochta, that means people of the kingdom. So he respected all of the people of the kingdom. If you're wondering why you can't say, or why it doesn't say, rá an was ege is on Moonsage na riochta, that's because when someone's in the genitive, you can only place one article. So it would have to go in na riochta here. So for example, I stole the bag of the boy. So like I stole that boy's bag, that's it. So I couldn't say chuid me an mala an bhuachal sin. I'd have to say chuid me mala an bhuachal sin. I'm not even sure if that's right, but yeah. And then finally, gzem, it means like food, morsel. So hard has an gzem as a veil dob. He'd give them the food from his mouth. This is the conditioner of tours, so he would give. So yeah, I'll read it one more time, then I'll translate it into English. So, since the severs as a riocht cymai in erdhar na hása ba profet. Ní rá drochas ná záwas ige, ach bhí gach a ráwai sa síosol ige. Bian allen, birds fásí, búchal agus colín agus a riocht dain. Dunne deachraoch a beth freisin, rá an bheas ige is woonsiad na riochta fad. Hoor há sé an gzem as a bhéil dób. So in English that would be Pravit was a rich prince from the kingdom of Kamai in the east of Asia. He neither had a brother nor a sister, but he had everything he could have needed in life. A beautiful wife, 2 children, a boy and a girl, and his own kingdom. He was a kind-hearted person too, who had a lot of respect for all the people of the kingdom. He would give the bread from his mouth to them, like the food from his mouth. Yeah. Sin in your reason. Son,